Hola everyone, Scotty here from Destination Open Road, and this video today is sponsored by Euy electric bikes. And in this video you're going to see multiple different places that we've traveled with this bike. You're going to see Dave's RV life. In fact, he was there helping me opening the boxing of this. But before I put out a video and said anything about a bike, I wanted to actually use it and put some miles on it. And so far, so good. So again, thank you Euy Bikes for sponsoring this video. So let's get right into it.
Like a nice one.
Nice. It's like Christmas.
Let's put the fender down.
Got a nice cushion seat.
Yeah.
It's got mag wheels.
I'm liking what I see so far.
Yeah, look at that.
Actually, sometimes these are easier to put in. Oops, I almost slapped you in the head.
That's okay.
Or did I? I missed.
You did.
Go with some of these bikes for. They really didn't have a good range of adjustment.
Have one of those. So we have to put that together.
Lift up.
Why is there a bar? Oh, that's just a safety bar to keep it from getting goofed up.
Yeah. Yeah, they took
Yeah, that one.
These are nice stout forks too.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, they are. And this one gets spun up.
Yeah, we probably, when we go to put the fender on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a really nice looking bike. I mean, it looks good and stout and everything.
Okay. So that's where the Allen wrench comes in for.
All right, here, put this back in.
Okay. Or do you think the light goes on first? No. Okay. That's a great toolkit in itself.
You were probably supposed to put the tire on first, weren't you?
No. First, before what?
I mean, you before the fender.
No.
Fender first?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what directions are for.
What does it say?
I would have put the tire on first, and then I would have been messed up.
Well, it probably would have slid in there, maybe. But
There'd probably been room to get it up in there a bit.
I can't see.
Trying to get in that disc. There we go. It's in the disc. That's that. Somehow we ended up with a little mark on the front.
I remember you always did tip the bikes upside down to put tires on when you did the children's bikes.
Absolutely.
I was the neighborhood bicycle mechanic for a while.
Yeah. Well, there we go. Yeah. I don't know what the clicky means.
It might be anti-lock brakes.
Oh yeah.
You put a certain amount of pressure on there, and
You know what?
I'm just being,
I like
So
that.
it does come with the
I'm
manual.
just being funny. See, now that's what the instructions are for.
Right.
When something's out of the ordinary, say,
What does it feel like?
Well, this gives you a true idea of what it's like to pull it out of the box, what you have to do.
Switch to lock
You
it?
might want to have some helping hands. But I think that you could do it if it was just yourself. I think you would be just fine putting it together.
Okay.
We've got the generator running behind us, so excuse the noise. It is a nice warm day here in Pennsylvania.
It's that,
Are we lined
it's
up
that
here?
neighbor over. It's that husky neighbor over running the generator again.
We look good lined up that way, right?
Pretty good.
Okay.
I just kind of snugged these. I just want to make sure we was rolling free and everything seemed okay. They're pretty tight, but I just want
Oh yeah, that's.
oh yeah. Let's get a little bit more here.
Oh, and I think the shocks are already on this one. Just
So
are they?
So they're probably locked out.
Yeah, just like the other bike was.
They're trying again. Doesn't give it all.
Yeah, I think they're open. Yeah, they're open.
Actually, I don't think you can lock these ones out.
You can just
Because most of them have you can just walk out to one side.
right. Yeah.
This doesn't have that. Which I've never locked mine out. I don't see a reason for it.
Everything was nicely packed.
Okay, for our handlebars up here, you have a 7-speed Shimano derailleur. It's really pretty simple to use. I'm just going to hit the button, up a gear to go back, push it down. Really nice and smooth and comfortable. As you can see, I have the meter sitting right there. I have put 13 miles on it. I usually start out in mode 1 because this bike is powerful and it will take off really quickly on you. Basically, you just can increase the mode. It has 5. Back to 1, back to 0. Push the button to turn it off. It has the horn over here. And what I really do like about it is the throttle. It's a twist throttle, like a motorcycle. And so what it really allows you to do is the whole time you're hanging on and you're just rotating your wrist. So it has front disc brakes and rear disc brakes, which are manually operated. The back one, the front one. Also has shocks in the front. They're pretty stiff, but they do a great job. It comes with a comfortable seat, and it also has a shock absorber in it. A really nice rack. I really do like how hefty that rack is. So it has a rear light back here. So that's let people know you're coming and going. Also a front light up here. Really a comfortable bike. Okay, the battery's located right in here. Here's the key to secure it, lock it in. Right now it's locked in. Turn the key. Pull the key out. Pivot the bike. So right here is your battery, and it fits in there snugly. It hasn't been, I've only had it in and out a couple times, so it breaks in. And there you go. Also has collapsible handlebars. And locks up well. It is a very sporty bike and very well put together as far as I can see. Beautiful welds on the bike. And it rides really nice. And with that 750 watt rear motor, this thing will move out. This is how easy it is. Turn it on, you just have to hold it for half a second. It comes up. We're in setting number 1. And again, here's your throttle. It's like I said, a little twist and this thing will get going. And you can really control it to however fast, even just in the first gear. You can putt nice and slow and you can see it. It moves. But you can't beat cruising one of these things down around this area. Now, like I said, it does up to 28 miles an hour with me at 170, I think, 2 pounds. I believe the range is 40 miles that you can get out of this with pedal assist. Not only are these bikes awesome for RVers, but if you have a boat and you travel to different marinas and cruise around, how can you go wrong? Throw your little 66-pound electric bike in the back of your boat, and when you get to shore, you get the whole town to yourself. Oh, and with these 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, this bike can go almost anywhere, but not this deep of sand. This is too much. I already tried it. Let's see what we can get it up to. Here we go. That's his 5th gear. Hopefully we don't lose it all. Assist, and I'm going up this hill. Not bad. I'm happy. See, this is a blast. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this bike in and take it back out of my storage unit here. You might notice the road noise behind me. I'm kind of close to the highway. First I do is I go ahead and collapse the pedals. Already got that one. I do take the seat out, just a little extra weight taken off the bike. Also I take the battery out. This time the battery is unlocked, so it'll slide out. Set it over here. With it unhooked, pivot it around. Nice and close. Set it back down on its lock. Then I'll undo the front. And what I like about it is it locks right over and it keeps the two from coming apart. You get it close like that, it locks right down. Got a nice handle. Fits right up in there. So I got it up in there. I'll just slide it around so my handlebar's out of the way. Lots of room. And secure and locked and safe. To take it back out, same easy steps. I like having the handlebar locked in there because then the bike won't pull apart. And it's only like 65 pounds. It's a little less, I believe, with the battery out. That battery weighs like 6 pounds. No. See, turn the right way. Let's make sure everything's working here. Slide my seat in. Put it at the height that I like it at. I'm a short guy. Lock it in. Now I'm ready to hit the road. Well, as you can see, I've had a lot of fun with this bike and a lot more fun to come. So if you're interested, for the EUY bike, www.euybike.com. Or you can look in the description below. And again, thank you so very much. Terry and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you have a chance, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. I'm always happy to answer some questions or listen to what you have to say. So peace out. Until the next video, love one another.